What is Mr. Payments? Mr. Payments is the only full-service information site dedicated to periodic payments. What do you mean by periodic payments? I mean turning a single one-time payment into a larger amount paid out over time. Let's just assume, for example, you have $100,000 from a sale of a property. You're thinking, how do I invest this money? In this example, you give Mr. Payments the $100,000, and in return you receive $10,000 per year for 15 years guaranteed. If you do the math, you'll see that your $100,000 just turned into $150,000. The payment amount you receive each year, in this case $10,000 per year, does not change, and the length of payout, in this case 15 years, does not change either. The good news is you can design the payments any way you like. You can receive the payments in more or less time, and also a higher amount or a lower amount. This is a fixed, guaranteed investment. So the longer your payout, the higher your rate of return. Payments can even be made out to you for life. Periodic payments take the guesswork out of investing and planning, so you will know exactly how much money you will be getting and how long it will last. Who is going to pay me the periodic payments? In other words, who is behind the guarantee, and why are they paying me all of that money? The periodic payments are guaranteed by some of the largest financial institutions in the world, with billions of dollars, with a B, in surplus and reserves. But a company like that is not going to just give you periodic payments out of the blue. It is an investment that you are making for yourself. How? You are coming up with the initial cash, and you are willing to lend them this money for the period of time you agree on, and get that money back over time. Why would I want periodic payments instead of the entire cash all at once? First of all, having this cash in the bank is not doing anything for you. In other words, it is not making you any more money. If you're thinking of a different investment, that may involve risk. Sometimes a lot of risk. The question is, can you risk losing this money? Periodic payments also have significant tax advantages, tax-free or tax-deferred, in addition to simply having a steady stream of income that is guaranteed. Most people simply do not know how to manage a large lump sum of money and blow it all on online shopping, gambling, lending to family and friends, bad investments, etc. Periodic payments provide protection against blowing through the money without restricting how you spend it. You have peace of mind knowing that money is coming in, no matter what happens in the stock market or anywhere else. There are no management or administration fees or sales charge on most payment options. Payments can be sent to you as a check in the mail or directly deposited into your account, whichever you prefer. You can treat it almost like a paycheck for the agreed period of time. The difference is you cannot be fired. The total payout over time is higher than the original investment. It is a win-win situation. Wow, periodic payments do have a lot of advantages. That is only the surface. Periodic payments are nothing new. They have helped people maximize their settlement after an injury for more than 25 years. Mr. Payments now is bringing this out to you as a creative investment idea while saving money on taxes. Periodic investments can seriously simplify retirement planning by converting your nest egg into guaranteed stream of income that doesn't change. Payments can even be used in conjunction with the sale of a business or property to reduce or eliminate capital gains tax. I like the idea of periodic payments, but where can I get the one-time cash payment? The cash can come from anywhere: an inheritance, a severance package, IRA, 401k, a settlement, even a business or real estate transaction. Why have I not heard of periodic payments before? That is the exact reason Mr. Payments is here, to help spread awareness of periodic payments to the public.